Magandang araw sa ating lahat mga kaboksing. Muli nyo akong samahan para muling panoorin ang naging laban ni Yumer Marcial kontra kay Eddie Colmenares ng bansang Venezuela. Ang labang ito ay naganap noong October 29, 2025 sa Araneta Coliseum sa 58th anniversary ng Trilla in Manila. So bago ang laban, si Eddie Colmenares ay may professional boxing record ito na mayroong 11 panalo, may 2 talo, may 1 draw at may 11 panalo by way of knockout. So malakas po itong kalaban ni Yumer Marcial, may 100% knockout. Samantalang itong pambato naman ng Sambuanga na si Yumer Marcial ay may professional boxing record na mayroong 6 na panalo, undefeated ito at walang ang talo, at may 4 na panalo by way of knockout. Sumukhang mapapalaban si Marcial dito mga kaboksing dahil hindi po pipitsugin itong kanyang kalaban. So start of round 1 tayo mga kaboksing, at kitang-kita natin ang tangkad nitong kanyang kalaban. So lamang na lamang po sa tangkad at haba ng kamay.
Before tonight, he won the Venezuela title back in August as super welterweight. So this is his first time.
Good right hand coming from Eddie Colmenares.
Marcial was very much 160 pounder.
He reminds you a little bit of Fedora with those long arms and the lean body.
Good body coming from Marcial, pero mukhang naatrasan po yun ng kaunti ni Eddie Colmenares.
Came back to win on a stoppage in the 4th round, but he's vulnerable. He can't be hurt. He has gone down.
So itong si Marcial, ito po ang nakakulay black trunks, at kulay white trunks naman itong si Eddie Colmenares ng Venezuela.
The legendary Eric Morales.
At nakasuot ito ng kulay puting gloves, samantalang si Marcial ay kulay red gloves ang kanyang suot. So sa katawan, manipis po itong Venezuelan boxer. Mas mas malaki po naman ang katawan ni Marcial. Good to the body coming from Marcial. Good job to the body coming from Marcial again. Yun! Mukhang tumama po doon ang ating kababayan. Tinama po sa mukha or nagkauntugan. But I think, yun! Good to the body naman galing kay Eddie Colmenares. Yun! 1-2 combination coming from Yumer Marcial. Tinamaan doon itong si Colmenares.
He's closing in the gap.
At mukhang ininda ni Colmenares ang suntok na yon.
Just has to keep on punching. Otherwise, he's gonna leave him.
Good counter punch coming from Eddie Colmenares. Dapat mag-ingat dito si Marcial dahil may lakas po itong kanyang kalaban. 11 panalo, 11 knockout din. End of round 1.
And the trainer of Colmenares, Andy Torrealba. And important for Marcial to continue to attack the body.
Start of round 2.
And then
So
will open up.
sa round 1, bago mag-end ang round 1 ay nagkapalitan po ng malalakas na mga suntok. At mukhang mabibigat po ang binitawan ni Yumer Marcial. Kumpara doon sa mga suntok ni Eddie Colmenares. At may sugat na po itong si Eddie Colmenares
Jab and then
sa kanyang kaliwang kilay. Good 1-2 combination coming from Marcial.
pressure. He can't fight it from a distance. He's not gonna be able to reach Colmenares.
Yun! 1-2-3 combination at mukhang nayanig po doon itong si Eddie Colmenares.
He's gonna make a
Good to the body coming from Marcial again.
very much.
So,
The feet were quick.
dapat sipagan dito ni Colmenares ang pagbitaw ng kanyang mga jabs. Mahabang kanyang kamay eh.
Blood is streaming.
So dapat i-utilize niya. Another 1-2 combination coming from Marshall. Good to the body naman. Galing kay Colmenares. Ito, 1-2 combination. Good job again coming from Colmenares.
Colmenares, he throws
So ito,
the weight goes into his heels.
nagtatapo na po, nagbibitaw na po itong si Colmenares ng sunod-sunod na mga suntok.
He can do some damage here. Colmenares
At yun.
he's allowed Martial to get the fight a bit.
Good job coming from Marshall. Good exchange. Bumawi naman agad si Marshall doon. Nice to the body coming from Eddie Colmenares.
After Colmenares throws that right hand.
So nagkakasakita na po itong dalawang boksingero. Yun.
Marshall.
1, 2, 3 combination. Naku po. Tumatama po dito ang ating kababayan. Another 1, 2 combination.
This time,
At sumasalo po itong si Eddie Colmenares ng malalakas na mga suntok
he's moving closer and closer.
galing sa ating kababayan.
And he's finding the range.
Yun again, it was a big left hand. May ganti naman din doon si Colmenares. Good to the body coming from Marshall. Grabe po ang back and forth na bakbakan. Good exchange. Ayun.
He trades with him on the inside here.
Nakikipagtututo na po itong si Eddie Colmenares.
So it's going to be great for him.
Ang labang ito mga kaboksing ay 10 rounds bout ito para sa WBC International Middleweight title. Good exchange. Ang ganda ng patama doon ni Colmenares. Tumama po ang kanyang malakas na kanan. Again,
Go toe to toe.
ito.
That's a
Tututo na mga kaboksing. Ito at ayun, mukhang nayanig po doon si Marshall at napaatras.
Right, so watch Colmenares.
Katawan ang tinitira ni Colmenares at sa ulo.
He just
At
tongue out.
inangasan pa siya doon ni Colmenares. End of round 2.
Definitely.
And for Marshall, that's the perfect antidote. That's what he wants.
I don't think that's a good plan for Colmenares. I really don't, but you can see that he's getting canny. You can see that
Start of round 3.
he's got
So sa round 2 ay grabe po ang palitan.
game there.
At parehas po natikman ng dalawa ang kanilang malalakas na mga suntok.
Just to move away from that.
So, I think nasaktan doon si Marshall sa mga pinakawalang matitinding kombinasyon ni Colmenares. Subalit, I think mas marami pa rin ang mga tumamang suntok ni Marshall doon. So, ang labang ito mga kaboksing ay 10 rounds bout para sa WBC International Middleweight title.
Here for him because Martial's just waiting for him
At
a bit or forget about it all.
round 3 na po tayo. Yung pinakahuling laban ni Yumer Marshall bago ang labang ito ay lumaban po siya sa Amerika laban kay Bernard Joseph at tinalo niya ito by third round technical knockout.
He's waiting for Marshall.
So tingnan natin kung kayang patumbahin ni Marshall itong kanyang kalaban. Good left coming from Marshall.
Throw that right hand.
Again, good to the body coming from Marshall.
Nice change of level.
May ganti din naman itong si Colmenares sa kanyang malakas na kaliwang kamao. So nasa gitna po ng ring ang dalawang boksingero, walang gustong magpatinag.
Through the defense.
Good counter coming from Marshall. Tinamaan po sa ulo at katawan itong kanyang kalaban. Ayun.
Back up, but
Iyon naman, matitindi din naman ang kanang kamao na ibinabato nitong si Colmenares. Ayun. Naku po. Good to the body coming from Marshall. Grabe po ang exchanges dito.
On the end of another combination here.
Parehas po may sagot.
He wants to mix it up a bit.
Ayun, tinamaan po. It was a big right hand coming from Colmenares at ito, pinauulan na po si Yumer Marshall
Colmenares.
ng matitinding mga suntok. Ayun, again, it was a big short right hand. Mababa po ang depensa ni Marshall dito. Again, nayanig na doon si Marshall. At ayun, bagsak po ang ating kababayan.
He's vulnerable.
It was a big left hand, I think, ang tumama.
Colmenares.
Tingnan natin mamaya sa replay. Bagsak po si Marshall.
Try and hold on to Colmenares and just ride it
So masyadong maluwag po ang depensa ni Marshall.
down. So he just needs to try and get through this.
Pinatamaan siya sa ulo at katawan at hindi niya kinaya ang isang malakas na suntok na tumama sa kanyang mukha. Ito, napapatras po ang ating kababayan.
Clear the cobwebs.
A big round for Eddie Colmenares.
Statement.
End of round 3.
Colmenares, he's not going.
Start of round 4. So nakita natin sa replay isang malakas na short right hand po ang tumama kay Marshall at siya ay nawala ng tamang balanse at ito sinusugod na at gusto nang tapusin nitong si Eddie Colmenares itong ating kababayan.
Going for the kill. Colmenares is
So yun nga, he is going for the kill.
on the dead.
Pero tingnan natin, tumatayo pa at lumalaban si Marshall.
Colmenares has got to be worried about also.
Tingnan natin, ito to na at pilit gumaganti ng ating kababayan.
Right there, but
Tumama po ang big right hand ni Yumer Marshall.
fans are up on
Good 1-2 combination. 1, 2, 3, 4 combination. Ayun po.
Marshall coming up strong.
Opa, mukhang sumisig. Ibinabato nitong si Eddie Colmenares ang kanyang siko. Ano?
He's got to be careful though.
So kailangan pa rin mag-ingat ni Marshall dito. Ano? Dahil ramdam niya po ang lakas nitong kanyang kalaban.
Marshall holding on.
Hindi sana niyang malimutan dito na may 100% knockout rate po itong si Eddie Colmenares, itong kanyang kalaban. So kung makikita natin sa expression ni
As he goes back on the attack.
sa mukha, sa expression ng mukha nitong si Marshall, ano ay talagang mukhang ramdam niya ang punishment na kanyang tinatanggap galing kay Eddie Colmenares. Ayun!
Colmenares.
Tinamaan na naman si Marshall.
Marshall also connected.
Pero yun, may ganti din po itong ating kababayan at actually mas marami po ang ganti nitong si Yumer Marshall.
Their feet.
Tututo po ang bakbakan. Patibayan talaga to. Good 1-2 combination coming from Colmenares. Ito naman si Marshall. Gumaganti din. Ayun. Good left coming from Marshall.
And we still got the prospect of
So, I think mas maganda itong ginagawa ni Marshall, ano, ang close range ang kanyang pakikipagbakbakan. Mag-ingat lang siya dun sa uppercut. Iyon, multiple left hand po at mukhang nayanig na dito si Eddie Colmenares. Ito na, nayanig na. Mukhang babagsak na itong si Eddie Colmenares pero gumaganti po mga kaboksing. Grabe po ang bakbakang ito.
Colmenares, so he might be about
Good to the body coming from Colmenares. 1, 2, 3 combination. At ayun, good exchange.
This has been absolutely sensational stuff.
this is
Mukhang mahirap iskuran ang round na to mga kaboksing.
neither fight.
End of round 4.
of Union Marshall, Dominic Dennis.
Start of round 5 at ito nakangiti pa itong Venezuelan na boxer na si Eddie Colmenares.
Composure.
At sa round 5, sa round 4 po.
This is a really close fight through 4 rounds. It's
Opo, sa round 4 ay mukhang nasaktan po dito si Eddie Colmenares, ano?
an open score
Munti ka nang mawala ng tamang balanse.
for the first 4 rounds.
At I think although matindi po ang palitan,
I would think so.
I think nakuha ni Marshall ang round 4 na yon dahil mas malilinis po, mas accurate po ang kanyang mga punches na tumama at mukhang mas marami po.
Both these fighters.
Tingnan natin sa round 5. Itong si Eddie Colmenares, mga kaboksing, ay sa kanyang pinakahuling laban bago sagupain itong ating kababayan na si Marshall ay naganap sa kanyang balwarte sa Venezuela.
Marshall with a slight.
At linabanan niya itong kanyang kababayan. Ito. Umaatake po ang ating kababayan. Good to the body coming from Marshall. Tingnan natin kung ayun. Again, 1, 2, 3 combination. Tumatama at walang sagot po si Eddie Colmenares. Ito kumakounter si Colmenares pero hindi po tumatama ang kanyang mga suntok.
Savage onslaught from Marcial, but Colmenares has taken these well.
At mukhang Marshall is going for the kill. Good to the body. At mukhang nangihina na itong si Eddie Colmenares. Yun. Ito na. Mukhang tatapusin na ni Marshall itong laban. Pero sadyang matibay po itong si Eddie Colmenares. Grabe po ang punishment na tinatanggap nito galing sa ating kababayan.
He's got a real chin on him.
Ito, pilit pong gumaganti
There's Marshall.
nitong si Eddie Colmenares.
Very little reaction or retaliation.
So, ayun. At dumudugo, patuloy na dumudugo itong kanyang sugat ni Colmenares.
Talking about Colvin
Mukhang lumalaki po ang sugat.
needs one more big push.
Good to the body coming from Eddie Colmenares.
Allow Colvin
At ito, mukhang si Eddie Colmenares naman na nagbabato ng mga suntok ngayon. Mukhang nakapagpahinga po itong Venezuelan boxer.
Colmenares.
Umatras po ang ating kababayan. Tinamaan na naman si Marshall ng malalakas
Marshall seems to
na kanan. Galing kay Colmenares.
round.
These last 2 rounds have been absolutely.
Pangiti-ngiti pa itong si Colmenares, ano? Mukhang nabuhayan po. End of round 5. Start of round 6 tayo.
Number 6, the fans loving.
So patuloy po na matindi ang back and forth
He's still got
na bakbakan. Napakatibay po nitong si Eddie Colmenares. Hindi po mabilang na mga powerful punches ang sinalo nito. Pero hindi po bumagsak. Big left hand coming from Marshall.
Marshall's not throwing as much.
So itong si Eddie Colmenares, ang kanyang pinakahuling laban ay linabanan niya itong kanyang kababayan na si Orlando
Might have punched him.
Isaya. At nanalo si Colmenares dito via technical knockout sa round 2. At napanalunan ni Eddie Colmenares ang bakanting titulo na Venezuelan Super Welterweight title.
Marshall.
So parehas pong nanalo by technical knockout ang magkatunggaling. Naku po, it was a big right hand coming from Yumer Marshall. At natigilan na naman itong si Eddie Colmenares.
Colmenares is shaken up.
And this is really good for Marcial,
So hindi po masyadong nag-follow up doon si Yumer Marshall.
but he's being
At ito,
but still
at
picking his punches. Really
sinusubukang gumanti ni Colmenares.
awful lot of leather in that previous 2 rounds. This
Another left hand coming from Yumer Marshall. Good to the body coming from Marshall.
And now Marshall going to the body. Being
Good right naman coming from Colmenares. At ito. So,
possibly losing steam.
sa midsection po ang tinitira nitong si Yumer Marshall.
Both fighters are resting.
Mukhang pagod na. Nakakaramdam ng pagod itong dalawang boksingero.
Down to wants it more,
So,
will have more
knockout artist po
stretch.
itong dalawa. At ang matindi nito ay itong si Eddie Colmenares ay may 100% knockout rate. So, mag-ingat po si Marshall.
This is a coasting
Sa 11 panalo ni Colmenares ay 11 din ang kanyang pinatulog.
go by, hoping that he can regain his strength in the next round.
So, sa ngayon, sa round 6, medyo matipid po magsuntok ang dalawang boksingero. Good exchange. So, sa kanilang mga previous fights ay parehas pong nanalo by technical knockout itong magkatunggaling boksingero. Tingnan natin dito kung merong ayun, good to the body coming from Yumer Marshall. At nasaktan nga dito itong si Colmenares. Mukhang iniinda ni Colmenares ang mga suntok ng ating kababayan sa katawan at ito patuloy po ang kanilang palitan.
Might do the trick.
End of round 6 mga kaboksing.
What a comeback round here.
Head on all three cards by now, I would say.
Start of round 7. At sa round 6 ay mukhang ininda ni Eddie Colmenares
See what
ang mga tumatamang suntok ni Marshall sa kanyang katawan. Akala ko nga ay babagsak na ito.
space.
And I think nakabawi po si Yumer Marshall sa round 6.
Not rushing.
And I think nakuha niya ang round na yun. Round 7 na tayo.
Coming a little
Patuloy po ang matinding bakbakan. Tingnan natin sa round 7 kung
to narrow that gap between
mas lalo pa itong magkasakitan. So,
throwing by the
napansin ko ay mukhang bumaba na rin ang workout rate ng dalawa. Good exchange.
overhand right from Marshall.
Parehas po nagkatamaan doon ng malalakas na mga suntok. Good to the body coming from Marshall.
Yes, it is.
And that's always worth thinking about.
So kung mapapansin nyo ay mukhang bumagal na silang dalawa sa kanilang pagbato ng mga suntok. Pero kung magbibitaw po ay malalakas po. It was a good 1-2-3 combination coming from Colmenares. Good right again coming from Colmenares.
On his mind and just causing him to
At napapansin kong ibinababa ni Colmenares ang kanyang depensa. Yun, tumama ang malakas na right hand ni Yumer Marshall.
when you get the opportunity to take somebody out, you need to try and do it. And these are all the things that come with experience, aren't they? I think he did go for it a couple of times.
Parehas pong matibay itong dalawang boksingero at ito.
Marshall being urged.
Tumatama na naman si Eddie Colmenares.
He's beginning
Mga short combination. Pero malalakas po yun. Ayun na naman.
in trouble.
Ito. At munti ka nang matumba si Yumer Marshall.
And so does Coleman.
At dumudugo po ata itong kanang mata ni Marshall. Ayun! It was a big left hand coming from Marshall.
Picks up a minute.
Ayaw sumuko nitong kalaban. Ayaw tumumba. Sadyang matibay.
You have to tip your hat to him.
Good to the body coming from Marshall. At ayun na naman. Ayun!
Go.
He comes up with a flurry of his own there.
So, it was a short 1-2-3 combination coming from Colmenares. Pero malalakas po yun.
But he's willing himself to give it that one last ounce of strength to get back in the game.
Grabe po ang back and forth na bakbakan. 10 seconds before the end of round 7. Mukhang mahirap iskuran ang round na ito. Parehas pong tumama ng maganda. End of round 7. Start of round 8. So ito po ay 10 rounds bout para sa WBC International Middleweight title. So grabe po ang bakbakan. Bumagsak na po itong si Marshall sa round 3
Marshall
matapos tamaan ng malakas na short right hand
stage.
nitong si Colmenares. Tingnan natin kung makabawi itong ating kababayan.
Of 10 rounds.
So far, maganda din naman itong performance ni Yumer Marshall.
Very, very soft.
And I think lumalamang siya sa mga ilang rounds. Samantalang itong si Colmenares naman ay
Very dangerous himself.
tumatama siya pero
As compact as he
close fight po.
can go out and
In every rounds po ang maaari niyang
what a good card we've had though tonight.
makuhang mga score dito.
Really good action all the way through.
Samantalang kung lumalamang si Marshall ay malinaw po na sa kanya ang round dahil mas marami at mas malilinis po ang kanyang mga patama. Yun nga lang ay naka-score na po itong si Eddie Colmenares ng knockdown sa round 3.
To will himself to win this.
Yun po ang siguradong nakuha niya.
On his birthday at that. His 30th birthday.
So sa katawan po,
These two are running on fumes.
midsection po parehas ang kanilang binabakbakan. Lalo na itong si Marshall. Subalit itong si Colmenares ay
Big push.
up and down po ang kanyang tirada.
Yumer Marshall will give it that last big effort to bring down Colmenares. I think they're gonna cut some of that loose tape.
So
Just looking to go back to the corner there, Colmenares.
mukhang
Staggering almost.
aayusin po ang tape ng gloves nitong si Colmenares.
What he has got left is just the pure heart and desire and grit and determination to get through this. Is fantastic to watch, it really is. He's having a pretty good round here too.
This is a good rest for him.
So nakakapagpahinga po dito itong dalawang boksingero. And I think pumapabor naman sa kanilang dalawa yun. Hindi lang kay Marshall at hindi lang kay Colmenares, talagang sa kanila. It was a big right hand coming from Colmenares. It was a left hook. Right hook, I mean.
Colmenares coming out of that rest period.
Good to the body coming from Colmenares. Ang daming nasayang na suntok doon ng ating kababayan.
Since you want to be shipping at this stage of fun.
Yun, it was a 1-2-3 combination coming from Colmenares sa katawan at sa ulo. Ang kanyang mga patama.
He's getting smacked by Colmenares.
Yun, good to the body. At
Not here.
isang kanan na naman ang binitawan ni Colmenares. Ito naman ang ganti ni Yumer Marshall.
That's a
At ayun,
Marshall though. This is
grabe po ang bakbakan.
score.
Ang hirap iskuran ng round na ito. End of round 8 mga kaboksing.
Exceptional. Over Fernandez, Jovin Jimenez in the corner of Yumer Marshall, giving him words of encouragement. Levijo hangs on. And in this fight goes a distance.
Start of round 9 po tayo mga kaboksing. So tingnan po natin sa round 9 kung magiging patuloy ang kanilang walang sawang palitan ng kanilang malalakas na mga kamao.
And I hope I didn't speak too soon.
And this is a stage of a fight where it's absolutely crucial that you're
Good exchange.
together
At
all in the gym.
tumama po doon ang kaliwang kamao nitong si Yumer Marshall. So parehas po ay may pagod na itong dalawang boksingero. Good left again coming from Marshall at tumama ulit ang kanyang kanan sa ulo ni Colmenares. At may mga suntok po si Marshall sa katawan at ayun, tumama na naman yung kaliwa. May ganti din naman itong si Colmenares sa katawan ng ating kababayan.
These are essentially the championship rounds for these two individuals.
So round 9 na ito mga kaboksing. At
Marshall
hanggang schedule lang po ito hanggang 10 rounds. So kailangan na makuha ni Martial itong round na ito. One to combination coming from Martial. It was a good left and right combination. Good right again coming from Martial. At ito napapasandal sa lubid itong si Eddie Colmenares. At mukhang ayaw mag-counter nitong si Colmenares. At kaunti lang at wala pong lakas ang ibinabatong suntok nitong si Colmenares. Pa-jab-jab lang siya pero mukhang wala pong lakas. Ayun, biglang umarangkada. Itong si Colmenares. Tumama po ang kanyang 1-2 combination sa mukha ng ating kababayan. Good to the body coming from Felix Martial.
What that 10th round will be like. It'll be amazing.
So ito, mukhang nagpahinga lang itong si Eddie Colmenares at siya naman ngayon ang sumusuntok. So sa katawan po ang target ni Yumer Martial at ayun tumama na naman itong kanyang kalaban. Kung si Martial ay sa katawan, itong si Eddie Colmenares naman ay sa upper section po nitong ating kababayan. Sa ulo po ang kanyang target. Good right coming from Martial. May ganti din naman itong si Colmenares at ayun! 1, 2, 3 combination ang sinalo ni Colmenares before the end of round 9. I think nakuha po ang round na yun ng ating kababayan. End of round 9.
It's better now, but he's 4 points down now on 2 scorecards, 2 points down on the other. And if I was
Start of round 10. Round 10 na pala tayo mga kaboksing.
this round,
The last and final round. So tingnan natin.
Martial doing the right thing. He doesn't need to do anything silly, does he? Because he's ahead. The only way this could go wrong is if he gets knocked out. He doesn't need to be a hero. He'll want
Good left to the body coming from Martial. I think kailangan ni Martial makuha ang round na ito
Yes, he could actually just cruise through this one.
para maiwasan ang pagdududa kung siya man ang tanghaling panalo dito. Good left coming from Martial. Good to the body naman coming from Eddie Colmenares. At ayun, mga kombinasyon sa katawan ang binitawan nitong Venezuelan boxer.
he gets over the line here, if nothing.
Nice left na naman coming from Martial. Ayun, tumama ulit.
Because this is a really
Good to the body coming from Colmenares.
round for the first time, but they have it their own way and they set them
Gantihan po sila.
when they want them. This has not been that fight. This will do him so much good
At
in the field.
ang suntok ni Colmenares ay kombinasyon, samantalang si Martial ay
More to him than
paisa-isang left hand ang kanyang binibitawan. So tinatamaan po dito itong ating kababayan. Ayun, nakaganti po doon, nakabawi po ang ating kababayan na si Martial.
we said it before tonight, but the matchmakers need a lot of credit.
Good exchange.
Together this card is really, really good.
Every single fight has been competitive. And we might have just saved the best for last.
Yun, 1, 2, 3 combination coming from Martial. Ito naman ang ganti din ni Eddie Colmenares. Suntok sa katawan at sa ulo. Ito, napapaatras po dito itong si Colmenares.
Right here. Just one
Good to the body coming from Colmenares.
from Martial. Colmenares.
Yun, tumama po ang mga kombinasyon ni Yumer Martial sa ulo nitong kanyang, ayun, naku po, bagsak po si Martial
Martial going down.
matapos tamaan ng mga kombinasyon. It was short punches pero bagsak po ang ating kababayan. Sayang dahil
It's onto the left hand there, is it?
kuhang-kuha na sana ni Martial
Colmenares is
ang round na ito kung hindi lang napabagsak ni Colmenares.
interesting. What a fight. to fight.
It was a close fight.
Comanaro is just
All in all,
that
in every round po, ano?
for the finish.
Pero yung malinaw doon ay yung
Get it because I wanted Comanaro
knockout na
given us so
knockouts na na-score nitong si Eddie Colmenares. Dalawang beses po bumagsak
Oh, without a doubt.
si Yumer
Down twice
sa round 3
in the third.
at
Another time in the
sa 9th round,
this was on.
10 rounds, bumagsak po si Yumer Marcial. So tingnan natin ang desisyon ng mga hurado.
Ladies and gentlemen, before we go to the scorecards, we are here to celebrate history, but tonight you saw what has to be one of the greatest fights in the history of Philippine boxing. So let's have another round of applause for two absolute warriors giving it their all. After 10 rounds of boxing in the middleweight division, we go to the scorecards. Judge Gerald Tomeldon scores about 94-94 even. Judge Arnie Nahara and Judge June Bei Jin score the bout 95-93, all for the winner. And now the WBC International Middleweight Champion from Zamboanga City, Philippines, Ymir Felix
So ayun mga kaboksing, panalo po si Yumer Marcial via majority decision. So ang score po ay 94-94, tabla sa isang hurado, at 95-93 naman sa dalawang hurado. Ito ay sa kabila ng pagbagsak ni Yumer Marcial ng 2 beses. So it was a close fight at kayo na lang po ang humusga mga kaboksing. Pero hindi po maikakailang napakaganda po ng ipinakita ng dalawang boksingero. So si Yumer Marcial na ngayon ang sa labang ito ay nakuha niya ang WBC International Middleweight title. So maraming salamat po mga kaboksing sa inyong panunood. So hanggang dito na lamang tayo. Hanggang sa susunod po na mga laban na ating ipapalabas dito sa ating Facebook page at YouTube channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsubaybay dito sa Hinirang Sports TV. Para sa mga classic fight at latest boxing updates, mag-subscribe lang po kayo sa Hinirang Sports TV.